Are you tired of watching your fuel gauge drop faster than you can say road trip? What if I told you that you could have a car that sips fuel like a pro and still keeps your maintenance costs low? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into the best cars for mileage and maintenance. And trust me, you're going to want to know which ones made the cut. Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a car that offers amazing fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the top options that save you money both at the pump and in the garage. So buckle up, because today's list is going to blow your mind. First things first, why should you care about mileage and maintenance? Well, think about it. The average American drives over 13,000 miles per year. If you're spending more on fuel and repairs than necessary, you're throwing your hard-earned money down the drain. But don't worry, we've got the solutions for you today. Let's kick things off with mileage. If you're looking for fuel efficiency, hybrids and certain compact cars dominate the market. Let's start with the Toyota Prius. No surprise here. The Prius has been a leader in fuel economy for years, boasting an impressive 58 miles per gallon city and 53 miles per gallon highway. This eco-friendly hybrid will save you thousands over the long run. But wait, what if you don't want a hybrid? Stick around, because we've got an even more surprising contender coming up that will make you rethink your next purchase. Moving on, let's talk about the Honda Civic. Known for its longevity and fuel efficiency, this sedan gives you a solid 36 miles per gallon city and 42 miles per gallon highway. And don't forget about the Hyundai Elantra. This little powerhouse gives you a smart balance of fuel economy and affordability, delivering 33 miles per gallon city and 43 miles per gallon highway. These are some solid options for everyday drivers looking to stretch every gallon. All right, you've got the mileage, but what about the maintenance costs? Because, let's face it, a car that's cheap at the pump but constantly breaking down isn't a win. So, what are the best cars that combine low maintenance with excellent fuel efficiency? Well, look no further than the Toyota Corolla. This car has been a staple for reliability, and its maintenance costs are among the lowest in the industry. On average, a Toyota Corolla will cost you around $150 to $200 a year in repairs. Pretty impressive, right? Next up, Honda Civic, another champ in the low-cost maintenance game. Its average annual maintenance is typically between $300 to $400. With reliability and low-cost upkeep, it's the perfect choice for someone who wants to keep the wallet happy. Now, if you think fuel efficiency and low maintenance only come in the form of hybrids and compact sedans, think again. Let me introduce you to the world of electric vehicles, EVs. Yes, you heard that right. Electric vehicles are not only amazing for mileage, they also have significantly lower maintenance costs compared to gas-powered cars. Take the Tesla Model 3, for example. With a range of over 350 miles on a single charge, you can say goodbye to frequent gas station visits. And when it comes to maintenance, these cars are far easier to maintain because they have fewer moving parts than traditional engines. That means less wear and tear, which equals fewer repairs and lower costs. But hold on, the Tesla isn't the only EV that can save you money. We've got another game changer coming up in a few minutes, so don't go anywhere. Looking for a car that's not only fuel efficient, but can handle the road for years to come? The Toyota Camry is a perfect example. It's built for longevity and can last over 200,000 miles with proper care. And, believe it or not, maintenance for the Camry stays around $400 to $500 a year, making it a solid choice for long-term cost efficiency. All right, folks, now that you know the top cars for mileage and maintenance, it's time for you to weigh in. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more tips, reviews, and car news coming your way. Stick around because next week we'll be diving into the best luxury cars with low maintenance costs. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you next time.